Hi everyone, I am Kanika Pandey, Deputy Manager Managing Market Research at Q Degree Services. As a part of research industry, one of the primary hurdles that any brand encounters is the lack of direct engagement with the customers, particularly those residing in rural areas. A significant challenge arises when a research survey which is designed in English limits the participation of those who do not speak English and also with a limited familiarity with the technology. To overcome these obstacles, we would like to introduce DoYourSurvey, a DIY research tool designed specially to simplify entire process and provide you with actionable insights and data to make informed decisions. With this tool, you can convert any research surveys from English to vernacular language, ensuring that participants can respond in their native language. Conduct audio and video-based conversational surveys, allowing for more engaging and interactive data collection, especially for the individuals who have limited access to technology. Our vast panel of more than 44 million panelists across the globe allows you to conduct comprehensive research that extends to rural audience in T3 and T4 cities, ensuring in-depth insights and analysis. Get live reporting capabilities, enabling you to get instant analysis on the data collected, get quicker insights for decision making. A multiple user management facility that helps you manage and collaborate easily with your teams involved in research process. A tool where you can not only manage digital surveys, which also provides you with other market research approaches such as telephonic interviews, personal interviews, and even focus group discussions. If you are a business owner or a market researcher seeking a robust tool to gather valuable insights from your target audience, your search ends here. Sign up for free with our DoYourSurvey portal and discover seamless and effortless experience for conducting research. Thank you for your time. Check out the link below in the description.